Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put this together. Comes with the instructions. All you're gonna need really is one wrench. I have two because sometimes you have to use them in concert um, to put it together. But it comes with all of the pieces that you need. You have your handle, you have your hose, you have all of your adapters and accoutrements that come with particular surface cleaner. This is a 20-inch surface cleaner. And we'll go ahead and remove the parts. It comes with plumber's tape. So if you'll need that, all of the different adapters. It even comes with two additional nozzle heads. All of the washers, rubber washers, and adapters that you need. It even comes with a pin. And sometimes you'll get dirt uh, in your nozzle heads, and so you have to sometimes clean it out. But this is a well-built surface cleaner, and it's not that hard to put together. So first thing we're going to do is put in bottom handles. There's 3 pins. One of them is short, and the 2 pins here goes on the bottom piece here. And you got your cotter pins. Okay. And your top half. That's your short pin. Okay. Just gonna lean that there. And I know this is gonna roll, so I'm just gonna stick me a little piece of wood in front of here so that it doesn't roll on me. Have your hose. And here's where you would tighten it down, maybe add some plumber's tape in here so you can get it together, but I'm not gonna do that because for the sake of time. Put it in there. Now here's where your adapter is going to come in handy here. If you were to put your adapter on, you wouldn't be able to get the hose through there. So we'll make sure your quick connect goes on after you get your hose through there. And then you just have your quick connect here. Somebody's coming into the office here. So. All right. And that's pretty much it. And you're off and running. Come in with your hose there. One neat thing about this particular surface cleaner is that if you don't have your connect, you can just hook up your quick connect here and then screw your water hose directly into this, or your pressure washer hose if it doesn't have the proper attachment. It also comes with 2 additional nozzle heads. So you have everything that you need, and you're off and running. Oak Tree South.